Robert Roberson was scheduled to be executed 1 week from today, but the state's highest criminal court this morning halted the execution for now. Our Lauren Crawford's in our newsroom. And Lauren, this is not the first time this has happened in Roberson's case.
Hi, good morning, Karen. Well, no, in fact, this is the third time the execution date has been stayed since 2016. This time, the Texas Court of Appeals, Criminal Appeals, granted a stay and sent the case back to a lower court. At the center of this case, though, is shaken baby syndrome, and whether the science behind that diagnosis still stands up in court today. Roberson has been on death row for more than 20 years after he was convicted of killing his 2-year-old daughter, Nikki. Prosecutors said she died from injuries tied to shaken baby syndrome, but Roberson insists he is innocent. His lawyers argue the science behind that diagnosis has changed and new evidence warrants another trial. Today, the court agreed, pointing to a similar case overturned last year. The ruling falls under Texas's 2013 junk science law, which allows for new trials when a conviction was based on outdated or discredited science. Now, North Texas State Representative Brian Harrison, who has said he is a lifelong supporter of the death penalty, posted this statement on X, quote, "I applaud in the strongest possible terms today's correct decision by conservative judges on the Court of Criminal Appeals to stay Robert Roberson's execution. These brave judges took their duty to seek justice seriously, even in the face of tremendous and dishonest political pressure to execute a potentially innocent person who has never been given a fair trial." A bipartisan group of Texas lawmakers visited with Roberson in prison yesterday. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton has argued in the past that the execution should move forward. Roberson's case now goes back to his trial court in East Texas for review. Karen?
A lot of eyeballs on this one, Lauren. Thank you very much.